I hope everybody remember that what we learned for last week. Can you tell anyone? Can you tell me what we learned last week? Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello. கேக்குதா நான் பேசுறது?
கேக்குது சார், கேக்குது.
ஏன் யாருமே பதில் சொல்ல மாட்டேங்கிறீங்களே?
கேக்குது சார், கேக்குது.
Okay. Okay, today, last week we have learned how to print the drawing. How to use the flag command to print the drawing. So you can use Control P to get the plot window, or you can go to start button, the application start button, to choose the print, then come to plot, then automatically you will get new window is called plot window. Already we have seen printer name, then paper size, then plot area, whether it's the layout or display or window, then place of the plotter paper, then scale, plot scale. This is the basic thing we have to set for the printing. Today we are going to learn one more important thing in plots. Somebody, when you open the plot window, automatically you will get the small window, or you may get extended window. This portion is the extended window, right? So if you are not able to see that, you have to go this arrow to click, then you will get the extended window. For this extended window is showing mainly plot style table, that is called pen assignments. Okay, pen assignment is more important in your printing session. Maybe you can think why I want to take this pen assignment. For example, before I'm going to start the pen assignment, I will set up the paper, drawing to PDF now. Then I will choose the paper size is A1. Then I'm going to choose window. Then I'm going to select the window from left to right. Then make it center of the plot. Then scale is to 1:1 or fit to paper. Already I explained to you what is the difference between fit to paper and the scale. Okay, then apply, then I will see preview. All right, this is your drawing to print. Okay, this is the drawing. You take a look. My grid lines are gray color. My other grid lines are brown color. My floor plan furnitures are red color. Right. This is the sprinkler pipe system. These dots. This is the sprinkler point. This is the pipe. This is pipe, sprinkler point, and everything. This is my M&E services, sprinkler pipe services. Okay, this is the drawing. Actually, sometimes, see, when we take printout for this floor plan in color, it's very expensive. It's very expensive. Color printing is very expensive. And some of the company is not allowing to take the color printing because they will waste the money for color print and color printer. Printer also very expensive. That's why the people want to use black and white. So that time you have to assign which type of print you want to take it, whether it's the black and white or color. That is the first requirement to add on in our pen assignment. Secondly, sometimes they think, no, the black and white is very difficult to read the drawing. it's more difficult to manage the drawing. So I want to use my printing for the drawing. All the R key, see whatever the R key flow plan should be a black and white, and my services like a firefighting or like a electrical drawing or mechanical drawing or whatever the piping drawing, only want to take color. Okay, see here you can see the MEP drawing, the firefighting drawing in the black color, flow plan is colorful like a red color, yellow color, magenta color, green color and some other colors. So this is the way to show the drawing is more presentable. Then only if it is a colorful on the floor plan and firefighting is the black and white, it's simply showing, oh, this is very easy to understand. The same way, somebody floor plan is a black and white and your services is become colorful like a green color, red color, or yellow color, whatever that. You can choose any way. Okay, this is what we are going to do it now. But sometimes the people want to get the drawing by floor plan is the gray color, I mean the black color. The remaining service drawing is the colorful, like required color or bright color or strong colors. That time we have to use pen assignment to set that printing. Okay, so that's what we are going to learn today. Now, already I said the basic. I come back. Just if you press one escape button, then automatically come back to the classroom. See here, pen assignment is none. Okay, there are few pen assignment is already set out. See, if I choose grayscale CTB, select, then apply, preview. The same drawing now it's become black and white, right? The same drawing now it's a black and white. The last time the same drawing is a colorful. Now it's become black and white. Still, you see my black and white drawing also showing my firefighting is more darker color and arc is a lighter color. Even though this is also more efficient. If you take this drawing as a printing, they can easily identify which is the R key, which is the firefighting, which is the electrical, which is the mechanical, because MEP is darker color and the R key is a lighter color. You can make it different by assigning the pen assignment tool. Okay, again, combine. Again, I will go to, they already set at the grayscale. That's what we are going to see now, how to set the new color. If you choose AutoCAD CTBT, ACAD.CTB, assign, apply layout and preview, then come colorful. Whatever the color you have in your original drawing, in your model space, everything it will be reflected in your layer space to print out. Okay, there are two. One is the AutoCAD CTB, one is the monochrome CTB. Apart from that, you can customize yourself. Whatever the color you want, you can build. Just for example, now I will take AutoCAD. I'm in the colorful drawing, preview. I will print it here, right click to plot, then automatically drawing will plot into any particular location. So I will save it, save. Just this is for the record, okay? This is my drawing. Just I will keep it for record to show the difference. Okay, I will keep, yeah, okay. Again, I will go back to AutoCAD. Now I'm going to customize. Control P or now see, already I gave the printout. Now the name page setup. If we go to use the previous slot, means automatically it will say whatever you gave the last printout. whatever is the printer name, printer setting, paper size, whatever that, everything is coming back to current. That is called previous plot. When you do the first time, you will not get this previous plot. Maybe some other people or some other users, whatever they use, it will be reflect in your drawing, but it will not be 100% reflect in your drawing, because maybe the different computer or different setup, the different users. But if you made printing for yourself, then you will get that previous plot. Once you set up, again you will come back, you can choose here, or you can create a new one. Okay, if you have the for example, if you have the grayscale, see here there is one more small icon. If you click, then you can see the one more window. You can change whatever you have, whatever you are currently using. But I'm not going to teach you that one thing now, but I'm going to create the new pen assignment. Okay, both are the same. This one is the existing, you can customize here, or you can create your own. Just I'm going to click new, the new window will appear. Then it will ask you, give some options. Start from scratch, use CPG file, or use a PCP or PCP2 file. It's up to you, can choose any one, but I'm going to choose start from scratch. Just I click, go to next. After, you have to give the name, whatever the name you want. For example, Najmul. This is my pen assignment name. See last time we have seen gray color or ACTB or monochrome or some other. The same here we can use Najmul ACD or Najmul CLR. Whatever that you want, you can give the name. Then create, next. Then it will show finish plot style table editor. Yes, finish. Now it's already set at Najmul color CTB. From here, you have to assign. Okay, just you click here. Now you are in Najmul CTB color. Now you are in Munish CTB color. So here in computer there are 255 colors. In our computer, in any computer if you take, there are 255 colors to present or display in your monitor. That every color is shown here. Okay, understand? See, this is the plot style area, this is description area, this is the description area, this is the plot style area, this is property area. See, for example, I currently choose color 2. Okay, description is 2, just you leave it. Property, in the color you see here, use object color. So that means whatever that color 2 is here, it will be same 2 will reflect in your properties. Understand? Then you can turn on and off diaper, or you can use off it fast. Don't change that thing. Gray scale also off. Pen is automatic. Virtual pen is automatic. Screening also just you leave it. We are going to handle only for color, then line type, line weight, line end scale style, line join style, whatever that. But the major thing we are going to use only line weight and line color. So I would like to explain to you what it will be happen when I change it. For example, if you are using the model space, okay, you created one line. That line name is, for example, wall. The line name is wall. Line color is red. It's a 1. Okay. that one red is usually use object color. That means it will reflect the same red into property. This property will reflect into Najmul CLR. If you choose the Najmul color, whatever you draw in the model space in color 1, it will same color will reflect into property. The property will reflect into Najmul. Then when you choose the Najmul, it will print it into same color 1. And also you can customize yourself. If you click, for example, I click the color 3, use object color is here. I'm going to customize here. You can assign any color. See, the major colors are red, yellow, green, cyan, blue, magenta, black. Apart from that, there are, if you click there, there is a new window, index color, true color, color books. You can choose any one. I'm going to choose the index color. Index now, see here, I have choose the green color 3. Here I am going to choose the same green color but slightly different. If I select, it's become the color code name is 100. Say okay. Now the color 3 become color 100. So same color but different number, but slightly different. This is our customized settings. Okay. If you choose like that, color 3, properties in color 100, when you choose the Najmul color printing for your printing, whatever the color you created in your model space with particular color 3, everything will be printing in your printer in color 100. This is very common. And the alternatively, you can choose your green color become red color. Color 3 become red color. Color yellow 2 become magenta color. Whatever the color you want, you can choose it. Okay. For example, now I want to oh sorry, I forgot to say. Okay, no problem. Cancel. See, now I'm going back to layer. I will explain to you how it's showing. See, now in the layer property for the level, I will choose one layer. For example, okay, I choose the door, A door. See, color is 150. Okay, maybe I can choose the best choice to improve. See, for example, I choose the yellow. Okay, that would be fine. Wall trim 153. Okay, I will choose the R key wall partition E is 153. I will come back. I will close it. Again, I will come back to plot. I choose the this is the model space. Okay, so now I'm coming back to plot. Previous plot. I'm going to choose Najmul. I'm coming back to, I will go to find 153. Where is 153? This is 153. See, 153 color is slightly blue color. Color use object is blue color. Now I'm going to choose the blue color become red color 1. So the color number is 1. See here, show me. So if I say OK, then save, apply, preview. I choose the window. Now I assigned Najmul plotter partition wall, where we can see the partition wall, 153 partition wall. I don't know, maybe I can explain to you the very easiest way. I will go to choose this particular partition. See, we will take this. This is the partition wall. I saw there the wall, A wall. Okay. Plot. Oh, sorry. Before that, I want to find that what is the color. A wall. See, this is the A wall layer. The color is called Xeon. Okay. I'm going to select plot.
Sir.
Yes.
Sorry for disturbing.
Okay.
My friend like to start a new AutoCAD class, but he wrongly go to basic computer class, and he cannot come to AutoCAD.
No, that new AutoCAD class is in the other room, not this room. This is going to end. This is the end of the class.
No, my friend, new friend.
Yes, you ask him to call Danny. It's a one more number, right? You see, anyway, no problem. Already we request them. We told them to tell what class they want to join. Maybe he came later.
Join him to on basic computer.
No issue, no issue. Our lesson will finish by another 10 minutes. Then after they will come back to the normal room. Then we will inform them to join the next lesson.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, that's good. Okay, I am coming back again. Najmul, pen assignment, Xeon. This is the color. They use object color. Now I'm going to change this Xeon color is a red color. For example, apply, previous slot, window, apply. See, are you able to see? My room partition is last time blue color. See, like as a door. Now it's become a red color. But actually, this red color is not reflecting in your drawing. Still, your drawing is the blue color. But when you take the printout, then only you can change it to a red color. This is the one of the example how to change the colors. Okay, not only the color. Again, I will go back. This is the example. You try yourself to get more practice. See, now I change the Xeon become red. And apart from that, see line type. There are different line types. If you want, you can assign the any line type. For example, dash line type means it will reflect your printing on this particular line type in this particular color. Okay. This is purely customized. If they require, then one will have to use it. Otherwise, you can normally use gray color or monochrome or AutoCAD. So three types. Gray color become the gray with dark services. Monochrome is all black and white. The another one is AutoCAD is colorful. For the customized, you can choose the particular color to change the color here. You can change the line type here, and also you can change the line dates. This setting will not be affect in your original drawing. It will be remain, but it will reflect in your only for printing. Even though if you are choosing particularly natural print, then only it will reflect. If you are choosing AutoCAD, it will not reflect. So automatically, whatever the color, original color in AutoCAD, it will reflect in your computer. So in your printing. Okay, so you can customize line types. You can customize line weight, whatever the weight you want for 0 or 0.05 or 0.1, 0.15, whatever that. If you choose 0.25, when you take the printing for this particular cyan color, it's become more thicker. Okay, and also you can customize that line, which end should be how, which style or which option you want. The line and style become built and square or round or diamond or whatever that. But we are not using this kind of more detailed setting. But usually they will use color changes, line type changes, and line weight changes. So if you want, you can assign all the 250 colors. So 255 colors. These 255 colors will be assigned by layers manager. If you assign in layer manager, it will reflect your drawing. Then the drawing will take it to pin assignment. Then pin assignment will assign your properties for particular color, type, and width. It will reflect in your printing only. Otherwise, it will not reflect. But the color code is important to assign in your layer. If you are not able to, if you didn't assign in layer, you will not get this color coding, color changes, pin assignments in your drawings. If you didn't change, if you didn't assign, then whatever the drawing color, it's directly reflect into your printing. Okay. So this is also important. You can slowly learn how to change one by one color. You can start with the simple drawing. If you can create only 5 or 7 layers to create the 7 colors and assign, then after you print, then you change one by one. One color become 100 or 2 color become 200, third color become 500. Then after you try to print, bring it to the preview, then automatically you can see the difference, how it's changing, how it's working and everything. Okay, that is the way to assign the pen assignment. If you do the pen assignment, then you select the pen assignment, then after you can arrange the printing view, whether it's a portrait or landscape. But nowadays the computer, the printer will automatically take it your source file, your order to orient, do the orientation itself to print. Either if a landscape or portrait, automatically paper will assign, printer will assign that itself to save the paper. So that's one, no need to worry about it. Or you can assign it. See, if you choose the portrait, the drawing will print like this. If you choose the landscape, drawing will print like that. If you choose plot upside down, then drawing will print like this. So whatever that one, whatever you want, you can assign it yourself. So this is the way to assign the pen assignment. This is more advanced. No need to think too much about it now. When you going to the drafting department, when you do the AutoCAD real workflow, that time you can try. If they want, then only you can try. Otherwise, you can choose grayscale, monochrome, or ACAD. These three will be common. It will be in the pen assignment tray. You don't need to create anything. If they want to customize, then only you have to create these things. Otherwise, you choose it, then apply, preview, print, then take the printout and hot copy. Okay, this is our major final lessons. So I hope everything finished by basic level. Advanced level, there is a lot of things, but whatever that advanced, everything under by this basic only. Okay, everything under by this basic layer, there is some advanced tools. Pen assignment, there is advanced tool. Plots in advanced means we have to learn 3D, how to create the 3D elements and how to assign the 3D elements, colors. But I hope some of our students is already started to draw the 3D elements. That's good. That is a good, your own interest. I appreciate that. But if you want to start the work, if you want to engage any basic work for the drafting or designing, this knowledge is more than enough. From this knowledge, if you know very well for this 10 lesson, I think the 13 lesson until today is the 14th lesson. If you know these 14 lessons well, then you easily you can manage